Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add LinkedIn widget in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And after that, you can see below the widget. Okay, you'll have to just click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the widget you want to add to your home screen. And okay guys, in my example is LinkedIn widget. And okay guys, after that you can select the position you want to add the widget. And okay guys, okay, we have successfully add the LinkedIn widget to your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.